Hello guys, welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. Today we are going to unbox and review Acer Nitro Gaming 5 laptop. It's an AMD Ryzen 7 4800H Octa-Core processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics, 4GB, 15.6 Full HD widescreen, 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512 GB SSD. It has Intel wireless Wi-Fi and DTX Ultra Audio, one HDMI 2.0 port, one USB 3.0 Type-C Generation 2 port, USB 3.2 Generation 2 port, and two USB 3.2 ports. Backlight keyboard, which is amazing, and as per Acer they claim up to 10 hours battery life and Windows 10. You will find different prices on different stores, but recently I have ordered it from Amazon and the price is showing $1,189, which is close to $1,200 plus tax. And before buying this, you can cross check if there are any offers. So without any further ado, let's just unbox it. This is the box of Acer Nitro 5. You can see the model Nitro 5 AN51544R9TP black, and specifications on the box. Now let's just open it. That's the seal, top of that. Was in double packaging. This box came out from another box. They nicely packed it. So this one is the charging. It's the charging lead, power adapter, extra screws. These you can use it in case you are going to add hard disk drive, because there is an extra slot where you can install your hard disk drive, and also one more slot for your M2 SSD in case you need to install it. And this connector comes very handy, which you can use in case if you need to install your hard disk drive. So in one of our upcoming videos, we will show you how to add an extra hard drive into your Acer Nitro 5. Let's take out the laptop in the box itself. This is the quick start guide. It gives you information for the first time setup. And Planet9.gg Team Evolve Battle. It's for gaming. And there is a free upgrade to Windows 11, which comes with this Acer Nitro 5. It's nicely packed. That's Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Ethernet port headphone jack. This is from the back, charging, and this is from the other side, one HDMI, another 3.2, and USB Type C. And there are two fans to give extra boost for cooling, and that's from the back side view. It looks cool. Very nice. Let's just turn it on. This is the first time setup. It's up to you what you want. For now I just selected none of those, and we are here. So this is how it looks like. There are some pre-installed apps. Let me show you one of the cool feature, which is Nitro Boost. Either you can click N for Nitro from keyboard and it will show up, or else you can get access from menu as well. So this is how it looks like. For now, this is CPU, RPM, GPU, and it's on auto. You can select to max or custom. From here you may switch it on to cool boost, which is amazing, and some other options. Let me show you. From here you can control your keyboard lights as well. Backlight off after 30 seconds. If you will select this option, it will automatically switch off after 30 seconds, and if you will uncheck this, then it will stay on. This is temperature units, and Windows and menu keys, sticky keys, and here you have power plan, AC, battery, power saver, balance. This is great. It looks good. Let's see the system specs, how they are. System properties. Okay. So as you can see, we have AMD Ryzen 7 4800H with Radeon graphics, 2.90 GHz. Installed memory RAM is 16 GB, and it's Windows 10 edition, and you may upgrade it to Windows 11. For now, this laptop looks amazing in terms of its finishing, build quality, and the graphics and specs. Rest, after use, I can tell you about how it performed in terms of heavy loads in video editing, games, because the specialty of this laptop is games. This is a gaming laptop. If you will press this Windows button and G, it will take you to Xbox gaming mode, where you have options to capture and to record games. and you can see CPU performance, GPU performance, RAM, etc. You can control volume. There are a lot of options here. So while playing game, if you will simply press Windows Alt plus R, it will start recording your games. You don't need to install anything, any HDMI device or anything with that. It will simply just start recording and it will save into your documents folder, which is an amazing function. So basically this was the unboxing and a quick review on this Acer Nitro gaming laptop. With the passage of time, once I will be more familiar with the performance, workload, then I'm gonna share with you the real test of this laptop. So for now, that's it. I'm going to show you the shutdown speed as well. So for now, stay tuned and please like, subscribe Tech Travel Soul in order to get more exciting tech related and travel videos. So that was quick. So stay tuned and bye for now.